Updating your profile details on BMO Bank is a straightforward process that can be done quickly. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the BMO Bank website or open the BMO mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select the information to update. In the profile settings, choose the specific details you want to update, such as your address, phone number, or email address. Step 4. Enter new information. Input the new information in the designated fields. Make sure to double-check for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your details, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in a system. Make sure to log out after updating your profile for security purposes. Keeping your information up to date helps ensure you receive important notifications and services from BMO Bank.